2-2.
No, it's 3-2. No, 4-2. 4-2. Josh. Okay. So Josh, you just need one more point to win.
Yeah.
And I need like more
I'm
points.
getting eaten by mosquitoes.
That's 1 point.
Back to the game of cornhole.
I win.
Whoa.
Yaya versus Josh.
2 rounds, so it's still
Let me
going.
just see if I can. Oh no.
Josh is winning.
Oh, this could be the victory dance. You have 5, and I have 4, and you have 5.
No, you have 6.
Really?
And I have 5.
Woo.
And you won. New game. New game.
Starting new video in 3, 2,
Wait,
1.
that's it.
No,
Grace,
no,
you
no,
play
no,
with him.
no, 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 no,
No, I
no,
don't
no,
wanna.
no, no.
I think he fell.
Let me see.
No.
I want to see.
No. No.
No, 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 no.
No.
We didn't
No,
start
I
yet.
can't.